introduction needed for Rincon either, for anyone who follows. But we are underway here at the Monumental. It's Argentina against Venezuela. Penultimate match day of World Cup qualification. An early chance perhaps for Venezuela. They're inside the area after a long boot upfield, a bit of a scramble. And finally, an early chance perhaps for Venezuela. They're inside the area after a long boot upfield, a bit of a scramble. Somewhat shaky start defensively from the world champions. Here he comes. Lays the ball off for Almada. Pulls the ball back to Julian Alvarez. It's a fantastic save from Romo. Beautifully worked from Argentina after only 3 minutes. Goes back to Mastantuono, the first time cross, hung up, Otamendi heads it down, the ball's in the back of the net. The flag has gone up. With Argentina. Freedom to roam. De Paul, first time looking for Messi again. This will be headed away by Aramburu. And that will be a free kick. Yes, returns intelligently, brings Aramburu into play, the cross comes in. Aramburu with the cross from the right, Rondon looking for the layoff and very nearly finding their shot. Shot from distance comes deep to get on the ball in a bit of space. That's a great ball over the top from De Paul. Mastantuono chases, Romo comes from his line. And it's the keeper who gets there first. Even for the great man, well out of reach, but he will fire this one inside the penalty area, headed down off Otamendi and behind for a goal kick. Onto his favour left foot. Look for the 1-2 with De Paul, it's cut out, Ibyo. Another long ball over the top, Molina chasing. Romo will get there again. Finally halted, but it's back with the number 10. Tagliafico onto it. And a low shot saved by Romo. Corner, here's Savarino with the cross early. In at the back post, Rondon with the header. Ristic heavy touch. De Paul over the top. And a defensive intervention. Still coming. Lays it off for Messi. Messi with the shot. Saved by Romo. Palmed away. And cleared away by Navarro. First sight at goal for Lionel Messi. Mastantuono for Lionel Messi. Mastantuono. And his cross. I don't think many would have expected Nicolas Otamendi to still be a key part of Argentina's national side at this stage of his career. Sight a goal from a set piece. What can he do from here? Messi clips off the wall, and it's going to be a corner. Comes with his flights from England. Messi being watched by Rincon, and it's Messi this time. He gives away the free kick, just overstretching. It's good defense. Alvarez is there, chance for Argentina, laid back for Messi. Messi! Lionel Messi finds the net, and Argentina lead. It had to be him. One final time in front of his people here at the Monumental. Inevitably and exquisitely, Lionel Andres Messi. No offside as Alvarez in our box. Almada twisting one way, then the other. Almada with the shot, dipping, curling, and just wide of the post. Onto the edge of the area, Messi, Almada onto his right foot, Almada shoots, Romo saves. It's only 1-0, but Rafael Ramos had to make. Alvarez was trying to bring in Mastantuono. De Paul in turn was trying to find Messi. Number 16, Jorge Yaraye, on to replace Pino. And it comes to nothing in the end. Watching run round him, but Paredes finds the pass into the box. Molina pulls it across the 6-yard area. The trademark dip onto his left, still going. Mastantuono was trying to get the ball back to Messi, but it's back with the 18-year-old wing, but looking to come inside onto their favoured foot. Here comes Messi looking to come onside to his favoured huge amounts away, Matt, in fairness. De Paul leaves it. Messi runs onto it, blocked by the foot passes and find another way into the penalty area. This time, like maybe number 9s of old, the likes of Batistuta or Crespo. That's a free kick. Going the way of Romo. See, Messi to Mastantuono. Mastantuono dips onto his left, bends the shot. Not too far away, but it will be a goal kick. Messi driving forward, using De Paul with the cross. Can't find neither Kun. Maybe he's just dropped in at left back. Second, Messi saved by Romo. Another chance perhaps for Messi. Still going Messi. Finally crowded out and Venezuela can clear. That looked like a handball. Play goes on for now. Mastantuono pulls it back. Doesn't find Messi. Goes onto his right foot, pulls it into the 6-yard box. Almada's there and screws the shot wide. Great shot. To Mendy. Chance here for Argentina. Lautaro Martinez with a first touch from the bench. Doubles the lead. The substitutes combine. Nico Gonzalez with the cross. Lautaro Martinez with the header. An instant impact from the Interman. Of the Missionarios, it's a defence-splitting pass. Almada's behind, pulls it back. Messi's there again. It's a second for Messi, and Argentina are 3-0 up. He's done it again. Of course, he has. Who else would it be? Who else writes the scripts like the ones that Messi does? Still the master, still the magician.